Are you looking for an easy way to make money online? What if I told you that you could start earning money right from the comfort of your home by participating in paid research studies? Stick around to the end of this video because in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on Prolific, one of the best research platforms on the internet right now. If you're seeing our video very first time, welcome back guys, and this is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're interested in making money online or website that will pay you to do certain tasks online, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video with anybody that needs it. Now let's get straight into the video. First thing we'll be looking at is what is called Prolific website. Now, this Prolific website is an online platform that connects researchers with participants for paid research studies. It's been around since 2014 and has gained a strong reputation among both its participants and researchers. Unlike other survey websites, Prolific focuses on high quality academic research. This means you are not answering any random question, low paying surveys. You are actually contributing to groundbreaking research while getting paid for doing so. So you're actually on the verge of putting your own contribution into a better use. Now let's talk about how Prolific website works. Actually, the first thing you have to do is to sign up on Prolific. We also would love to know if Prolific is actually legit. I know most of us would love to know if it is actually legit. If you have watched this video up to this level and you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop me an emoji please, because that is what I need to keep making such videos. It says Prolific has been a trusted platform for over a decade. Like, they've been in existence for the past 10 years. We connect you with top researchers who value your insights and make sure your contributions lead to real impact. With clear processes, fast payments, and a commitment to fairness, we respect your time and make sure your voice is heard. Read real examples of impact your contributions can have on our case studies. Now, like you all have seen, this is a website where researchers come to ask people like you and I questions to help them improve more on whatever they are researching on. Now, the first thing you need to do is to sign up on Prolific website. Prolific website is spelled as Prolific, prolific.com. You need to sign up. You create a profile on their website. You include your basic information. This helps Prolific to match you with people that are looking for something that is related to what you can actually offer. Now, here is the best part. In case you don't know, the best part about making money online is when you want to hear about how much you can actually make using this particular website. Prolific studies tends to pay better than other survey websites. Now, in a simple term, this particular website is a survey website, but they pay you better. In fact, they pay you times 2, times 3 of what other survey websites are actually paying. It says you can expect to earn about $6 to $10 per hour depending on the study length and complexity. So surveys are actually by category, so you get to earn money depending on the type of survey you are actually doing. Most surveys only take 10 to 30 minutes to complete, and some even pay more for your time if they require a bit more effort. Now, after completing a study, the payment is sent to your Prolific account and you can cash out via PayPal once you hit the minimum payout threshold, which is only $5. Now, yes, you will say that this particular website, their payment method is PayPal. If you have someone abroad or someone where PayPal account is actually acceptable, you can ask the person to share their payment information with you, so you will be able to use it on the Prolific app. That is the only way you can get your money paid from the Prolific app. Now, the next thing is how you can maximize your earning. Like, how you can maximize your earnings. The first thing you make sure you do is to complete your profile. Ensure that all your information are actually intact on your profile. Then you ensure to check back from time to time if there is any surveys that you can do, because from time to time they send you surveys. Be consistent. Once you see a survey, please just go for it. Once you see a survey, go for it, and be honest with your response, because this is one of the things they actually want to deal with. When they see that your response is actually fluctuating, or you gave a platform A different response from what you actually gave a platform B, that will not actually sit well with them. Now, this particular company has actually worked with big brands. They've worked with Stanford University, they've worked with University of Oxford, they've worked with Google, they've worked with British Pooling Council, they've worked with OnMind. Now, they've worked with so many big brands, and these big brands are actually trusting them to deliver the best. So if this looks like something you are interested in, this is your go-to website, because they've been around for the past 10 years. Now let's talk about how much you can literally make on this particular website. It depends on how much time you're able to dedicate to this particular website. If you dedicate just an hour a day to completing studies, you can actually earn up to $150 to $200 per month. That is if you choose to input an hour a day, not even all the whole day, like an hour a day into this particular website. You'll be making about $150 a month. Now, this cannot replace your full-time job or your 9-to-5 jobs. No, it cannot replace it, but actually it will go a long way. Now, there are certain things that you also have to understand about this particular website so that you won't actually have issues. This particular website is one of the highest paying survey website out there. Now, their studies are actually quality studies, and their payment is actually fast. So if you are signing up on this website, do well to hurry to this website and sign up, because they accept individuals from anywhere that you are in the world. With that being said, guys, if you know that you want to make money with surveys, this is actually your go-to website to make money using surveys website. And it doesn't matter, in fact, you don't need a VPN. You don't need a VPN at all. It doesn't matter whether you are in Nigeria, you are in Africa, you are in Congo, you are in Ghana. It doesn't matter. The Prolific website accepts individuals from any part of the world. Just be straightforward with them and ensure that you are able to do a lot of things on their website, like filling out your profile information. So guys, with that being said, I also want you to have it at the back of your mind that you can also choose your hours. Like the certain hours you want to work on this website, it is your choice. You can choose how many minutes or how many hours a day you actually want to spend on this website. And also you can choose to invite friends on this website. With that being said, guys, if this looks like something you like, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.